Well, hello and welcome to week 3, day 3. And this week we're really focusing on relationships. And today I want to talk about better listening. So let me just share a slide. So that first word there says ignoring. So do you sometimes find that you ignore people when they're talking to you? Now, sometimes that's perfectly fine. You feel at work, you're really busy, somebody in the office is talking, you're not necessarily going to pay attention to them the whole time. But obviously, we don't want to ignore somebody if they're feeling emotional or they're talking about something important. But it's definitely a level of listening or not listening that we should be aware of. We also might do something, if we're supposed to be listening, called pretending. I'm sure we've all been a little bit guilty of that occasionally, just sort of, but we're not really listening at all. So another thing to be aware of, do we sometimes do pretending listening when we really should be doing proper listening? What about a slightly more involved level of listening? Selective listening. So we dip in and out. We sometimes are paying attention and sometimes we're not. So again, something just to notice, do you do it when really you should be doing a bit more focused listening? Occasionally in life, we will do some selective listening because we're busy and doing other things. And what about moving up to a higher level of attentive listening? So this is when we really are focused on the other person, but we do need to be careful still with attentive listening, that we're not taking over and making it about us. That thing with, oh, yes, I know exactly what you mean. I did that just 2 weeks ago. Or, oh, yes, I've been on holiday there myself. Let me tell you all about it. I think people fall into two camps, those who do that and those who don't. I know I'm a little bit guilty of sometimes taking over. So it's something I'm very conscious of. We also might give advice when we're being attentive. And sometimes people don't want advice. Sometimes they do. And it's important to be aware of those different times. And then the highest level of listening is really about empathy. So empathetic listening, where we're really genuinely trying to understand that other person. And we've taken the focus off ourselves and we're really trying to deeply understand them. And we absolutely need to do that when it's something emotional, whether that's through excitement or sadness or anger, whatever it might be. So today, I'd just like you to notice if you're doing any of those particular styles of listening and just to be a little bit more aware of it. And if somebody is emotional, to make sure we move up to that higher level of empathetic listening. Now, today for our relaxation, I'm going to introduce you to Insight Timer, which is a website and an app with lots and lots of guided meditations, from really long ones to quick ones that only last a minute. So I've chosen one, just a short one there for you, a 3-minute one, but do have a look at that website because it's a great resource of guided meditations. So thank you for listening and back again tomorrow. Bye-bye.